Good morning. Happy Wednesday. My name is Anthony Speciale with Hawkeye Traders and Big Energy Profits for those of you who don't know who I am already. Today I want to talk to you about money because at the end of the day, the world does revolve around it. Although I always advocate for people not to focus on it and let money be the byproduct of success. But money constantly exists, and we as traders and investors need to understand just how money duplicates. So that's the topic I want to talk about today. How do you systematically double your money? And that's what we're going to jump into. So guys, before we do that, of course, we just need to run over the disclosure. Anything I share with you today is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not to be taken as actual financial advice. It is not, although it is relative to the real world. So how many of you understand the rule of 72? The rule of 72 is used to calculate how long it takes to double your investment in something. So what we do here is we're going to take a look and see how long, at what interest rate, at what rate of return does our money systematically double, and how long does it take for that to transpire? Guys, the objective here is to take the money we've earned and double it, triple it, quadruple it as quickly and efficiently as possible. So if we're getting a 12%, fixed annual rate of return, it would take us 6 years to double our money. Now, guys, I don't want to wait 6 years to double my money. I would like to double my money much sooner than that. But if we're getting 10%, you could see that it takes a little over 7 years, 8%, 9 years, 6%, 12 years, 4%, 18 years. So guys, listen, some of you have probably looked at financial products out there, annuities or other forms of retirement streams, realize that it's awfully tough today to get secured, 4% return on your investment. How do we beat that? And that's of course the objective. The objective is, how do we make our money work for us and outweigh any of these investment products that are out there, any of these retirement products that are out there? I can't wait 18 years to double my money at 4%. It's just too long. I won't be alive long enough to enjoy it. So, the reality is that the reality is to make our money double, triple, quadruple as quickly and efficiently as possible. So if you were able to double your money every 36 days, I imagine that would be quite appealing to you. So let me show you what little base hit trades add up to, because I want you to get a better grip of how you can systematically, double your money. And you can do that on a very small scale. You could turn 100 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. And you see how that starts to combine. When 16 turns to 32, 3200 turns to 6400. The number gets big quick. It's not 1, 2, 3, it's 2, 4, 8. So I just want you to understand that there isn't a compounding here that can clearly change your life if you just understand the rule of 72 and how your money duplicates. So let's look at a couple quick, guys, these are simple base hit trades. 5.5% on TK tankers. Okay? These don't have to be big moves. I understand everyone's looking for the home run. Listen, when you have enough money that you can wait for the home run to happen, that's fine. But along the way to build that, you can use a very simple 3-step strategy to just create these types of returns. How many people can create a 5+%, 5.5+% return in just a few hours? Not many people. 7.28% return. Guys, these are day trades. These transpired over a couple hours. Opportunity to make 9.5% literally within the same day's time frame. Guys, this rolled over during the evening, it rallied, pulled back, it rallied again. Understanding how you can return yourself nearly 10% in such a short period of time is the objective of what we're here to show you. Systematically, we are going to show you how in every 36 days you can double your account. Now that's a whole lot better than 18 years or 12 years or 9 years or 7 years or 6 years for that matter. There aren't too many things you can passively invest your money in that you could literally double your money in 6 years. That 12% rate of return annual rate of return almost doesn't exist in a retirement-based product today. The market just doesn't allow that much interest. So our objective is we want to show you how you can control, grab the harness, grab the reins of your future, and you can control your rate of return by just taking one base hit after another. And as they continue to compound, you can compound your sizing. As you compound your sizing, the number starts to multiply in a very quick and aggressive way. So guys, with that, I want you to click the link below. I want you to watch what we call a VSwarm webinar. I want you to get a greater understanding of how the power of understanding how the number 72 can change the way you look at your income. It can change the way that the money multiplies. So I would love for you to click the link below, watch the video, spend a little time. I promise you, all of this becomes very relative to your own personal financial security. So please, carve out a little time of your day, click the link, watch the video. You need to understand how money compounds and how money can compound very quickly by just taking simple, small base hits over and over and over and over again. For those of you who love the idea of actively managing your money, there's really no better way. Now, you can take this and scale it if you have the ability to larger time frames than day trading. And if you want to do that, you could see those larger rates of returns that just transpire over longer periods of time, which would take you away from the computer. So either way, it doesn't matter what your objective is. We have built a system called VSwarm, powered by Hawkeye Traders, that will help you have the greatest understanding of just how and what it will take for you to continue to duplicate your money over and over and over again. So with that, guys, I ask you, click the link below, watch the video, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow morning. Have a blessed day.